Bulgarian offshore to Roro cargo, Italian social security to Embark 1510. Thank you very much indeed. We have found the offshore personnel from Bulgaria that now, due to circumstances, they don't have the job opportunities. But here, with the Italian flag, you have social security, 2 years on board equal 2 years unemployment, 20 years in the company. It means that you have a pension, sanitary assistance, retirement, all kind of insurance in case of accident, equality. If you are a woman also, you can join. Italy is #1 in equality for many years back. And you have a collective bargaining agreement. The ships are 37,000 ton Roros, apply urgently. We have 3,300 euros for electrician. We know that if you are on board offshore ships, that the wages is 2,500. We have also AB with experience on board the Roro ships and the general cargo ships. AB is 3,100 euros net plus social security. Italian also, if you are an ordinary sailor, because you don't have any, you have experience in the offshore, but you want to jump to the Roro cargo ships, so you perhaps accept 2,200 euros as an ordinary sailor and then jump to AB very fast on board. Perhaps also you are a junior officer. If you are a junior officer, it is 3,300, 3,400 euros, and then you can have a 20 year, perhaps you are very young, and then from the offshore, so you can have a career the next 25 years and go up the ladder. Why? Because this company has 22 Roros, Italian flag, 37,000 tons, and 10 years maximum age, so this fleet is very young, plus 55 ships that are RoPax, huge, so it's a huge possibility for you as a young Bulgarian from the offshore. Plus, also we have the cook for the cargo ships is 2,800 euros net. You can jump later to the passenger ships where it is 3,100 euros net. So you can jump from the offshore to the Roro cargo ships, Italian flag. It's a huge company, it's Italian family, like Candina. We already hear the 5th generation. So if you want to join this family, apply urgently. Thank you very much. Bye. Like and subscribe and pass to all the Bulgarian groups, because thanks to you today, we are very excited to have a lot of those seafarers with no social security from the offshore that they don't have any jobs. But here we need about 200 ABs, 150 cooks, and then approx junior officers, 150 also electricians, some 60. And anyway, so it's a huge number that we are requiring today. Thank you. Bye.